Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up a successful email campaign in Klaviyo, a leading platform for e-commerce businesses. We'll cover the three key elements: segments, templates, and scheduling. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create targeted and effective email marketing campaigns using Klaviyo's tools, including its latest AI-powered features. Segments are targeted audience groups based on customer data. Klaviyo allows you to create dynamic segments that automatically update based on conditions like purchased in the last 30 days or abandoned cart. As of 2025, Klaviyo supports advanced filters and even AI-suggested segments based on predictive analytics. To start, create broad segments and refine them with A/B testing to optimize engagement. Klaviyo's drag-and-drop editor offers customizable templates for various campaigns like newsletters and promotions. Templates feature layouts like this two-column design with text and product images. Templates use modular blocks for images, text, and calls to action. Editable templates include sections for logos, headlines, and product showcases. Ensure your templates are mobile responsive for better user experience. Choose from pre-designed templates with various layouts and themes. A new feature includes AI-generated subject lines and content to save time. Make sure your templates align with your brand and include unsubscribe links for compliance. Scheduling your email campaigns is crucial for achieving optimal open rates. By timing your sends strategically, you can reach recipients when they're most likely to engage with your content. Research shows that weekdays around 10 a.m. typically yield the highest open rates, while weekend sends often perform worse due to inbox clutter. Klaviyo's scheduler supports both one-time campaigns for special promotions and recurring campaigns for regular newsletters. It includes smart sending technology to prevent overwhelming recipient inboxes. The platform now offers AI-powered scheduling that analyzes recipient behavior to suggest the best send times. This intelligent feature improves deliverability by learning from past campaign performance and can significantly boost engagement rates. Scheduling integrates seamlessly with Klaviyo's workflows for automated triggers. For example, post-purchase emails can be scheduled to send immediately after a customer completes an order, ensuring timely and relevant communication. Campaigns begin in Klaviyo's dashboard. Navigate to the main dashboard to access all campaign tools. First, select a flow or campaign type from the dashboard options. Choose between automated flows or one-time campaigns based on your marketing goals. Then, configure your segments by selecting target audience groups from your customer data. Use dynamic filters like purchase history or engagement levels to create focused lists. Next, design your email template using Klaviyo's drag-and-drop editor. Add images, text, and calls to action while ensuring mobile responsiveness. Set your schedule for optimal timing. Choose one-time sends or recurring campaigns and use AI suggestions for best send times based on recipient data. Before launching, test your email for spam compliance using tools like Mail Tester. Send a preview to check deliverability and ensure your content meets inbox standards. Track key metrics like open rates, aiming for 20 to 30%, and click-through rates via Klaviyo's analytics dashboard to measure campaign performance. Finally, ensure all GDPR and DSA requirements are met by including proper unsubscribe links and respecting privacy regulations. Klaviyo integrates AI to enhance email campaign creation. AI can generate personalized email content based on customer data, making campaigns more relevant and engaging. The AI analyzes customer profiles to create tailored email copy. For example, it can personalize recommendations based on past purchases or browsing behavior. AI also powers predictive segmentation, helping identify customers likely to churn or respond to upsell opportunities. This uses machine learning to forecast behaviors based on data patterns. Additionally, AI can generate compelling subject lines automatically. This feature can reduce content creation time by up to 50%, allowing marketers to focus on strategy rather than writing. However, it's crucial to manually review all AI-generated content. While AI is powerful, human oversight ensures the messaging remains authentic and aligned with brand voice. Nike's Back to School campaign in 2024 used Klaviyo to segment users by purchase history, sending personalized email templates with product recommendations. Scheduling was timed around school start dates, resulting in a 35% increase in open rates and $2.1 million in additional revenue. Sephora's Beauty Box teasers in 2025 leveraged AI-generated templates to target segments of beauty enthusiasts with scheduling based on past engagement. This drove a 25% uplift in subscriptions, showcasing the power of AI personalization. A local coffee shop in 2024 used Klaviyo's free tier to segment loyal customers and send weekly newsletters, with scheduling timed for peak hours. They achieved a 40% click-through rate, demonstrating accessibility for small businesses. These examples highlight the potential ROI of data-driven segmentation in Klaviyo, showing how personalization, AI tools, and strategic scheduling can deliver measurable results across different business sizes. Keep an eye on trends like AI personalization, privacy-centric features, and mobile optimization. Future outlooks include deeper AI integration for hyper-personalization and omnichannel campaigns, linking email with SMS or push notifications. Be mindful of email fatigue and use Klaviyo's analytics to prevent over-messaging. Remember, experts predict a 30% efficiency boost in campaign setup by using AI. Stay compliant and creative.